habits that will make you successful without working hard. Are you one of them, who believe that success only comes through relentless hard work and burning the midnight oil? Do you know this is nothing more than a myth? How? In this video I will show you 6 practical steps to achieve your desired success without working too hard. Let's dive in, stay tuned. Believe it or not, there are people who achieve high levels of success without seemingly working hard. They're not cheating the system or cutting corners. They just have a different approach. They've mastered certain habits that set them apart and drive their success. And guess what? These habits are not secret. They're actually quite accessible, and anyone can adopt them. In this video, we will explore these 6 habits that are common among successful people who don't break a sweat getting to the top. Number 1. They nurture their relationships. You might be wondering, what is the connection of success with relationship? But this is the most important thing that most people underestimate. For example, if your relation with your wife is not good, then you will keep thinking about last fight with her. Thoughts will keep intruding your mind. These thoughts will be so powerful that any creative business idea will not come to your mind. As a result, you may become a failure without any fault from your side. So, keep relationship in a very good, happy state. If wife is happy, your life will be happy. Same applies to both husband and wife. In short, keep your spouse happy. Also, relation with all other people should be happy. In any relation, become a problem solver and not a problem creator. This is the master key to success. In this way, your mind will be in a good, happy state that will work effortlessly for success. And the Maya Angelou once said, "People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel." This is particularly true for successful people. They leave a lasting impression on others, not by what they achieve, but by how they treat others. Number 2. Successful people prioritize. One thing sets highly successful people apart from others. They know how to prioritize. Unlike most of us who are often caught up in the busyness of life, these folks have a knack for identifying what truly matters. They understand that not all tasks are created equal, and that the key to success isn't necessarily working harder but working smarter. Consider the Pareto principle, or the 80-20 rule. It states that 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. Highly successful individuals apply this principle in their work and life, focusing their energy on that impactful 20%. Instead of getting overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, they sift through them and zero in on those that yield the highest return. This allows them to achieve more while working less. It's not about being lazy. It's about being strategic with your time and energy. Prioritizing tasks is a simple habit that you can start practicing today to pave your path towards success without burning out. Number 3. They practice mindfulness. Another habit that highly successful people have is practicing mindfulness. And I can personally vouch for this one. A few years ago, I found myself constantly busy, juggling multiple projects and deadlines. It felt like I was always in a rush, always playing catch-up with my to-do list. But despite all the hard work, I wasn't truly happy with the results. I felt drained and the quality of my work was suffering. That's when I discovered mindfulness, the practice of being fully present and engaged in what you're doing at any given moment. Mindfulness helped me to slow down, to focus on one task at a time rather than trying to multitask. Instead of being reactive, I became proactive. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by my workload, I began to take control of it. With mindfulness, I was able to reduce stress, increase productivity, and enhance the quality of my work. Many successful individuals incorporate mindfulness into their daily routine. They understand that success is not just about doing more, but about being fully present in what you're doing. This allows them to work less, achieve more, and find satisfaction in their work. Number 4. They are health conscious. While the phrase "health is wealth" may seem cliché, there's a lot of truth in it. Success isn't just measured by professional achievements, but also by our physical and mental well-being. A surprising number of CEOs and business leaders, including Richard Branson and Mark Zuckerberg, are known to start their day with a workout. Why? Because regular exercise not only keeps the body fit, but also boosts mental acuity. Research shows that physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, leading to improved concentration, sharper memory, and better problem-solving skills. In other words, taking care of your health can give you a competitive edge in your professional life. So, even if you're not a gym enthusiast, incorporating some form of physical activity into your daily routine can make a big difference. A brisk walk in the park, a quick yoga session, or even dancing to your favorite tunes can do wonders for your health and success. Number 5. They keep learning new things. Highly successful people understand that knowledge is power, and they constantly strive to learn new things. They're not afraid to step out of their comfort zones, explore new ideas, or embrace change. They read books, attend seminars, take online courses, anything to keep their minds sharp and stay ahead of the curve. They also understand that learning is not limited to their field of expertise. They seek knowledge from diverse fields to broaden their perspective and enhance their problem-solving skills. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, is known to spend about 80% of his day reading. He believes that the more you learn, the more you earn. If you want to achieve success without working yourself to the bone, consider making learning a lifelong habit. It won't just make you more informed, it will make you more adaptable and resilient in the face of change. Number 6. They are not afraid of failure. Failure can be a tough pill to swallow. I remember a time when I was working on a project that I was incredibly passionate about. Everything seemed to be going well until, suddenly, it wasn't. The project failed, and it felt like my world had come crashing down. But here's what I learned. Failure isn't the end of the road, it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Highly successful people understand this. They don't see failure as a setback, but as a stepping stone to success. J.K. Rowling, one of the most influential authors of our time, faced numerous rejections before Harry Potter was finally published. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Embrace it. Learn from it. Let it propel you towards success. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter and bouncing back stronger when things don't go as planned. So don't just listen and forget. Start implementing today, right now. Success is waiting for you. Best of luck for grand success.